Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the dent center and any creases. This tells you whether to push from behind or pull from the skin. Once done, clean the area thoroughly so adhesives or tools bond properly. Make sure to remove the interior trim or access panel to gain clearance. You want at least a fist-sized opening. Then choose tools, a long push rod for internal work or a glue puller kit for exterior pulling. Begin with gentle pressure to avoid stretching metal. You'll now perform the controlled movements that restore the panel's shape. If pushing, insert a rod and push outward from the dent's perimeter toward the center, using small, repeated strokes. This prevents overcorrection. If pulling, place glue tabs on strategic points, let the glue set, and pull progressively. Alternate pull points to distribute stress. Once the major hollow is gone, use a soft hammer and knockdown tool to flatten any high spots. Check contours frequently to keep the original panel curve. You finish by removing residual glue and lightly sanding any tiny imperfections. Use minimal body filler where metal can't be fully restored. Once smooth, apply primer touch-up, then color and clear coat as required. Let each layer cure. After paint cures, polish with a rubbing compound and finish with wax to blend gloss. If you notice paint cracking, stretched metal, or a stubborn crease that won't budge, take the panel to a professional paintless dent repair technician. Don't force it and risk worse damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.